Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hi, I'm Divya Singh, and if you are someone who's new here, then please take a moment and subscribe to the channel. Also press on that notification button so that you get notified whenever there's a new video. So today I'll be using this Truman curling wand and gonna create these beautiful curls. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching.
This is how it looks like. It has Tourmaline ceramic barrel. The barrel is 13 mm to 25 mm and it works fine. It has also light control, so you can control your light according to your choice. So let's start. Now I'm detangling my hair, sectioning it properly. You just ensure that your curls will last longer, and I am doing it properly, taking proper time. So you also take proper time and do it properly, because then it will last longer and gives you beautiful curls. Be careful and patient while doing this, because you don't want to hurt yourself. Now I'm taking this comb and combing the roots only, because I just wanted a fuller look. If you have thin hair, if you have less volume, then just do this. It will help and it will give you beautiful and bouncy curl. It seems like you have a lot of hair and it looks beautiful. Be patient and repeat the process over and over again, and do it all over your hair, because then you want that beautiful bouncy effect. Now I'm doing my front section. Now taking hairspray on my comb and combing it properly so that it stays longer.
If you find this video helpful, then like, share and subscribe for some amazing goodies coming to your way. Also let me know in the comment section below what else you would like to know about hair styling, curling and straightening.